Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to slide cursor with Spacebar. Firstly, let's go to, for example, browser, go to search bar, and now press and hold spacebar. To slide the cursor. It works well on the iPhone smartphones. Not every Android is capable to use this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.